Now we are going to discuss one new chapter, that is circles. Okay, see, definition for circle. A circle is all points in same plane that lie at an equal distance from the center point. Okay, a circle is all points in same plane that lie at an equal distance from a center point. Suppose this is a plane and let this is a center point O. All points equal distance from the center point. Okay, join these points. Here all points equal distance from the center point. Okay, here distance is a constant. Okay, this distance is called as radius of the circle. Okay, radius of the circle denoted with C. O is the center of the circle and R is the radius of the circle. Okay, see, here we get one closed curved shaped figure. Okay, it has no corners and no edges. So we simply make definition for circle. Circle is a closed curved shaped two-dimensional figure. It has no corners and no edges. Okay, next, why we need circles? We see so many objects in circular shapes. For example, balls, vehicles, tires or wheels, and so many places in circular shapes. Okay, for example, this is a garden. This garden in circular shape. Okay, here we have to find the area of this garden or perimeter of this garden. That's why we should learn circles. Is it clear? Next, relation between circle and line. We know line, it has no endpoints. Okay, see, PQ is a line, it has no endpoints. This is a circle, it has no corners and no edges. Is it clear? In first case, what is the relation between circle and line? Both are not intersecting. Okay, not intersecting. See, second case. In case 2, PQ is a line and this is a circle. PQ line intersecting the circle at single point. Let this point is A. Okay, PQ line touches the circle at single point. So PQ is tangent of the circle. PQ is the tangent of the circle. Is it clear? Tangent means line touches the circle at single point is called tangent. Okay. Next, PQ line touches the circle at 2 points. Let these points are M and N. Okay. Here this line intersecting circle at 2 points. So PQ. PQ is the secant of the circle. Is it clear? In first case, line and circle are both are not intersecting. In second case, line intersecting the circle at single point. So, this line is called tangent of the circle. In third case, line intersecting the circle at 2 points. So, this line is called secant of the circle. Okay? This line is called secant of the circle.